I always freeze when using who and whose.
That is a very common problem for many English learners today.
I never know which word is correct.
They sound very similar, but they have completely different purposes.
Is this another difficult grammar rule?
Not at all. You will master this without boring grammar books.
What is the secret to learn this?
You just need to ask if you want a person or owner.
A person or an owner today?
Exactly. The purpose of your question always decides the right word.
So who asks about a real person?
Yes, who is like shining a bright spotlight on a face.
And whose asks about the real owner?
Exactly. Whose pulls an invisible string from an object to someone.
That sounds like a very clear rule.
Let us look closely at the word who in real life.
Mia, saying "who bag is this" was so embarrassing today.
Don't worry. Just use the spotlight and the invisible string.
Oh wow, the spotlight and string trick makes perfect sense now.
Welcome to Grow English Mastery. Let's learn effortlessly.
How do I use who in conversations?
You use who whenever you are asking about a human being.
Give me a real-life daily example.
Imagine someone knocks loudly on your front door right now.
I want to know who is outside.
Exactly. You ask, who is at the door right now?
What if someone ate my birthday cake?
You want the guilty person, so ask, who ate my cake?
I am looking for the specific person.
Spot on. Who always puts the spotlight on the human face?
What about asking about my new teacher?
You ask, who is your teacher, to learn their identity.
Or, who called me late last night?
Perfect. You are asking for the identity of the phone caller.
Who equals a person every single time.
Now, let us open the second secret about the word whose.
How is whose different from the word who?
We use whose when we want to find the true owner.
Give me a scenario for this word.
You find a shiny new smartphone left on a coffee table.
I pick up the heavy smartphone now.
You want to connect that object directly to its owner.
So I ask, whose phone is this?
Spot on. You place the object right after the word whose.
What if I find a leather jacket?
You ask the room, whose jacket is this on the sofa?
I am pulling that invisible string.
Exactly. You pull the string to find the real owner.
Can we own invisible things like ideas?
Absolutely. You can ask, whose idea was this great plan?
Or whose turn is it to play?
Perfect. Ownership works for physical items and abstract concepts too.
This is becoming so crystal clear now.
Now, let us put both words side by side to compare.
Give me the first side-by-side pair.
Listen carefully. Who is driving and whose car is this?
Who asks for the driver's name?
Brilliant. And what does whose car ask about in that sentence?
It asks about the vehicle owner.
Exactly. You are using two different tools from your grammar toolbox.
Who shines the spotlight on people?
Yes, and whose pulls the string to find the owner.
What if someone is calling my phone?
You ask who is calling to know who the person is.
And whose phone is ringing in office?
Excellent job. You have completely mastered the difference between both words.
I feel so confident to speak.
Now we are ready for our Grammar Error Lab next.
I am ready to fix some grammar mistakes.
Welcome to our Error Lab, where we cure bad sentences today.
What is the first sick patient today?
The patient says, "Who bag is this on the table?"
That sounds terrible to my ears.
Because a bag is an object, we always need the owner.
So we must ask, whose bag is this?
Exactly. You pulled that invisible string to find the exact owner.
What is the next bad English sentence?
The next patient says, "Whose is calling me right now?"
That is definitely a sick question.
Calling is an action, so we want the exact person.
So the correct question is, who is calling?
Perfect job. Let us fix one last patient in our lab.
I am a professional grammar doctor.
Always change "whose shoes are these" to "whose shoes are these."
I want to practice speaking these out loud.
Great. Listen to these 6 sentences and repeat them loudly.
Who is knocking at the front door?
Who is knocking at the front door?
Who is knocking at the front door?
Whose new phone is ringing today?
Whose new phone is ringing today?
Whose new phone is ringing today?
Who can help me carry these boxes?
Who can help me carry these boxes?
Who can help me carry these boxes?
Whose black jacket is on the sofa?
Whose black jacket is on the sofa?
Whose black jacket is on the sofa?
Who is driving the car right now?
Who is driving the car right now?
Who is driving the car right now?
Whose brilliant idea was this great plan?
Whose brilliant idea was this great plan?
Whose brilliant idea was this great plan?
My mouth feels very natural speaking English now.
That is the power of our daily shadowing practice for your brain.
That practice was extremely helpful for me.
You just need to remember our spotlight and invisible string metaphor.
Who puts the spotlight on the person?
And whose pulls the invisible string to find the exact owner.
This is the best English lesson ever.
Now it is time to give our lovely listeners a homework task.
Do they have to take a test?
We want to see if you truly understood today's grammar lesson.
Please answer 2 simple questions down below.
Question 1. Who is your favorite English teacher right now?
And whose phone are you currently using?
Please write your amazing answers in the comments section below.
I cannot wait to read your answers.
If this lesson helped you, please hit that subscribe button today.
Keep practicing and see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone, and we will see you in the next English lesson.